Do you want to undo a repost on Instagram? You can remove reposts from Instagram with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To undo a repost on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Now, under your profile and bio, you'll see tabs like Posts, Reels, and Tagged. Next to those, you'll see a Reposts tab. Tap on it. Inside the Reposts tab, you will see all the posts and reels you've reposted. Find the post you want to remove, then tap on it to open. Now, you will see like, comment, share, and other options on the right side of the screen. Along these, you will also see a reposted icon. Just tap on it. Now, the post will be immediately removed from your profile's Reposts tab, and it will no longer be shown to your followers.